You can experience either heartburn or indigestion, in the following ways: a slight hiccup, trailed by a burning sensation in the chest and throat. It might be prompted by your meal, especially hot, oily, peppery, greasy, or acidic food. On the other hand, maybe, you have gastroesophageal reflux ailment (GERD), a lingering condition with many potential causes. Whatever be the cause for either heartburn or indigestion, it is very painful and problematic. Adjusting your lifestyle, daily habit, the use of natural home remedies and over-the-counter treatment may provide relief when heartburn strikes, but these following steps can help prevent the symptoms of heartburn: maintain a healthy weight, avoid heartburn triggers, such as fatty and spicy foods, eat at least 3 hours before bedtime, avoid lying down after eating. Consult your physician if you experience heartburn more than 3 times in a week. Here are some natural remedies for heartburn. Ginger has been used as a society solution for heartburn or acid reflux for quite a long time. Ginger can help relieve sickness, so using it for acid reflux, as well, is accepted. Consider including ground or diced ginger root to your preferred sautéed food plans, soups, and different nourishments. To make ginger tea, steep crude ginger root, dried ginger root, or ginger tea packs in bubbling water. It's presumably best to keep away from soda, however. Carbonated refreshments are a typical indigestion trigger, and most brands of soda are made with counterfeit enhancing as opposed to the genuine article. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is another home natural remedy that a few people use to treat indigestion and heartburn, accepting that it might neutralize stomach corrosive. Drinking diluted apple cider vinegar after a dinner may help mitigate indigestion and heartburn for certain individuals. If you choose to attempt this remedy, dilute the apple cider vinegar with water and drink it after your supper. Licorice root. Licorice root is another natural remedy for heartburn that has been utilized to treat acid reflux. It may help increase the mucus covering of your esophageal coating, which may shield your throat from harm brought about by stomach corrosive. Deglycyrrhizonated licorice (DGL) is an enhancement that contains licorice that has been handled to expel a lot of its glycyrrhizin, an intensifier that can cause antagonistic symptoms. Eating in excess of licorice or DGL may raise your blood pressure, bring down your potassium levels, and meddle with specific prescriptions. Continuously converse with your primary care physician before taking licorice or DGL supplements. Mix water with baking soda. You may have a natural remedy for heartburn or indigestion in your kitchen without knowing it. Heating baking soda can calm indigestion and heartburn by killing your stomach corrosiveness. To do this, disintegrate a teaspoon of heating baking soda in a glass of water and drink it gradually. You should drink everything gradually when you have heartburn or indigestion. Chew gum. Chewing gum for 30 minutes after suppers may help decrease heartburn or indigestion. Chewing gum stimulates salivation creation and gulping. This may help weaken and clear stomach corrosive from your throat. Wearing loose apparel. The upward rise in the contents of the stomach into the esophagus where the stomach acids can burn the tissue triggers a heartburn. It is also observed that tight clothing compresses the stomach, thereby triggering a heartburn. In a case of tight clothing, the first thing to do is to loosen your belt or dress or whatever tight clothing. Stand upright. Your stance can likewise add to the heartburn or acid reflux. In case you're sitting or resting, try holding up. In case you're as of now standing, take a stab at standing up more straightly. An upstanding stance squeezes your lower esophageal sphincter, les. Your les is a ring of muscle that assists prevent with tolerating corrosive from ascending into your throat. Raise your chest area. Resting can aggravate indigestion or heartburn. When it is time for bed, change your resting surface to raise your chest area. As indicated by the Mayo Clinic, lifting your head with additional cushions isn't generally enough. Rather, the objective is to raise your body from the midsection up. If you have a flexible bed, set it at an appropriate point to give help. On the off chance that your bed isn't movable, you can change the edge of your resting surface by utilizing a wedge pad. Maintain a strategic distance from tobacco smoke. You most likely realize that smoking is awful for your well-being. In any case, did you realize that smoking can increase your chance of having heartburn or indigestion? In case you're a smoker and you get an assault of acid reflux, don't illuminate. Smoking may be a go-to adapting technique when you're awkward, yet it is not going to make that feeling to go away.